So it's 41 for 3. That is Vishnu, the managing director of CCL. It's his brainchild. He's worked very hard. And you get all the latest CCL news and scores at www.cclt20.in. A young man with a strong vision. He worked hard to get all this together. He's got support from all the people from all the film industry. So that is why we have seen 6 sides this season. And it's been handled so well. Excellent planning. As Sharat Kumar, one of the directors of CCL. So they're all here. And that is what has enthralled the crowd. They've seen the film stars don the roles of cricketers. And that has helped them to enjoy this concept, this game of T20. And there's been serious cricket on view here. All the film stars have done very well. They've worked very hard in the preparation, in the practice sessions. And they have executed their plans. That's Priyamani, one of the brand ambassadors for CCL. So it's been an excellent team effort from everybody involved with CCL.
What has been really impressive in this tournament, Sabah, is the intensity with which cricket has been played. That's terrific as well. Everyone has contributed towards this success.
That's Mr. Shazi, the co-owner of Kerala Strikers. They did a commendable job, although they failed to qualify for the semi-final. But that was one side that upset a couple of big teams. You should be proud of the effort put in by Kerala Strikers in their first season of the CCL. And I'm sure they'll come back next year with a much stronger side and with a better performance. So Heroes, they are chasing 190 for 5, and this stage they are struggling. They are 42 for 3. Hits it well. Has he connected? No, he has not. He hasn't middled it. And good that he did not. Fell short of the fielder at long on. Only a single. That's Madhuri Bhattacharya, the brand ambassador for Karnataka Bulldozers.
It didn't middle that one at all. He hit the toe end of the bat, and luckily for him, there you go, he's seeing the toe end. But mind you, he's so powerful, Sabah. If he connects, generally it stays hit. This time Manav goal, low full toss, straight to long on. Very impressive fielding effort for Karnataka Bulldozers. They've been really on the dot.
They've done their homework quite well, the Bulldozers. That is why we see some very strategic fielding positions for a specific player. It goes again, but this time just over the head of the bowler. Only get a single. So things not looking very good here for the Heroes. I think what they need is a great cameo from Shabbir. Maybe a 30 or a 40 of only 20 delivery or 15 deliveries. That'll get them going. Then the others can come in and try and get closer to the target. That's the way I look at it at this stage.
He'll have to wait a little bit because he'll have to pick his bowlers. He needs to pick one of the bowler and go behind him. There will be a weak link in this Karnataka Bulldozers side in their bowling department. At the moment, Karthik looks really strong, but mind you, he will finish his quota of overs after this delivery.
It's in there. He'll get some runs here, Manav. He'll get 2 of the last delivery. So after 7 is 47 for 3.